When people say a war is going on, they are usually talking about two major conflicts happening in the world today: the Russia Ukraine war and the Israel Hamas war. But what exactly is happening and why? Let's break it down in a simple way. First, the Russia Ukraine war. This conflict began in 2022 when Russia launched a large scale invasion of Ukraine. But the roots go much deeper. Ukraine was once part of the Soviet Union, and even after it became independent, Russia continued to see it as part of its influence. Over time, Ukraine started moving closer to Western countries and alliances like NATO. For Russia, this felt like a threat, having a neighboring country aligned with its rivals. So, from Russia's perspective, it was about security and influence. From Ukraine's perspective, it was about independence and the right to choose its own future. This clash of interests led to a full scale war. Cities were attacked, millions of people were displaced, and the conflict turned into one of the largest wars in Europe in decades. Now, let's look at the Israel Hamas war. This conflict is even more complex, with roots going back many decades. It revolves around land, identity, and long standing tensions between Israelis and Palestinians. In simple terms, Israel is a country, and Palestinians seek their own independent state. But both sides claim the same land. Hamas is a group that controls Gaza and has been in conflict with Israel for years.